Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix if your Roblox is not launching on your Windows 11. Right now I'm using Windows 11 on my PC, and if your Roblox app is not launching, on you. So how can you fix? So guys, there are several methods to fix it. Right now my app is working finely, but one day it's not responding or not launching. So I just follow the simple step to fix it. One is to delete its temporary data on PC. So how to delete temporary data? You have to open run run app. Just search for run app, and this will be open here. Now you just need to enter this command or this keyword %temp %/roblox. It will open all the temporary cache files that is stored on your PC. Just click on it and the file explorer will be open with temporary file of Roblox. So what you just need to do, you just need to press Control A and then press Shift and plus D. Shift and delete all together, or you can directly delete from here as well. Just click on this delete button. So this will delete all the file from you or from the Roblox cache folder or temp folder. So basically it's helps you to run your Roblox app much faster than before, and if it is not working, it's the best practice to delete all the temporary file of the Roblox app. Or other way you can do is, if your Roblox app is not working, check whether the server status is fine or not. So you can search for roblox.com on the browser to see if the server of Roblox is working fine or not. And also, if nothing works out, you just need to uninstall your Roblox app. So you can search for control panel, and now you just need to go to an uninstall a program. Now look for the Roblox app here. So it's sorted by alphabetically, so you will find R after P and Q. So here you just need to double click on it to install and reinstall it. If you don't know how to install, just open any game on browser and click on play button. It will ask you to download or install the application. If you haven't installed, it automatically download and install the application on your device. Right now, since I have already installed it, so it is asking me to open a Roblox game client directly. So I don't want to open it. Fine. This is a way you can reinstall your Roblox app. These are the way you can try out. Hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.